Hello, I'm Russ, and welcome to Simply Wooden Creations. The 2019 Whirligig Wars is here. It will run from July 1st through the 31st, just like it has for years. For all the information that you will need, go to simplywoodencreations.com, go to the top menu bar, go over to Challenges, click on that, go down to Whirligigs, and over to the 2019 Whirligig Wars page. All the information, rules, prizes, and sponsors are located there that you will need to make your entry. You know, if you own a scroll saw just like I do, you have probably one of the best tools in your shop to create a whirligig. From the blades, to the hub, to the main body, to the animated characters that you might want to put on your whirligig. The scroll saw, without a shadow of a doubt, is probably one of the best tools. So if you have a scroll saw, you have half the battle won on entering the Whirligig contest this year. Also, let's take a look at some of the last year's entries for the 2018 Whirligig Wars. Thank you for watching me here on Simply Wooden Creations. I'm looking forward to seeing your entry.